Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I just wanted to make this quick little video. I know a lot of y'all haven't seen me commenting in your videos, and I just wanted to apologize for that. I'm trying to watch what I can watch. This has been a very, very, very hectic month. I've had all these refines trying to get out. There's a lot of video editing that I've been having to do to get, just to get my videos put out, let alone watch. And I'm trying to stay up at least with my comments and answer you guys and respond. Right now I'm actually at my dad's. I'm having to stay over here with him. Cheryl and I are actually having to alternate because he's had some bad infections, and I haven't slept in 2 days, and I had him in the emergency room all night last night, and they actually wanted to admit him, and I was talking with the hospitalist, and they said it was up to me because they had, so many COVID patients in there, and with him being 92, it may be safer if I just took him home. So they did what they could do for him, and I basically brought him home because I wasn't going to leave him at the hospital. I mean, I had to do some fast talking just to be able to go into the emergency room with him, because none of the hospitals are letting anybody go in or visit. So I mean, I'm not trying to make excuses. It's just that I've been running like a chicken with my head cut off. I mean, and then we're also having to come over here and stay here and trying to get my stuff done and get jobs done for people, and I mean, it's just gotten a little overwhelming. So I just want to really quick throw this video up, let you guys know what was going on, why you haven't seen me comment. I have watched what I can watch. I mean, I'm trying to answer questions in my comments and my emails and stay up with that as much as I can, but I just want to apologize that you're not seeing me comment. I am trying to do what I can do, and I kind of feel bad about it because you guys always, you're loyal to watching and commenting and liking my videos. So I mean, I feel a little bad about it, but I just can't help it right now. There's just too much going on with him being sick, having to stay here part of the time, at the house part of the time. So I'm not going to babble on. You guys know life gets in the way sometimes. So anyway, I just want to let you know that I'm going to be putting out later this evening. I'll have that my other second part of the refined video finished editing, and I'll have that posted later tonight. But I just wanted to post this now and let you guys know what's up. So take care, and we'll see you in the next video.